I worked very hard to bring gas prices down. And Republicans on the Hill are trying to make it harder to bring them down again. I'm not kidding. Last spring, we saw gas prices skyrocket as Putin intensified his attacks on independent Ukraine. I took decisive action. I talked to our allies and I ordered the largest, most significant oil release from U.S. and global reserves in all of history. I took this action to protect American families and to strengthen our economy. And it worked. Energy prices came down across the board. Natural gas, oil, electricity, and gasoline. Gas prices are down as much as $1.60 per gallon from their peak. Inflation came down as well. The American economy proved its resilience despite threats from Putin. And guess what the Republicans in Congress are trying to do now? Raise prices on American drivers. Take away the very tools that we use to secure America's economy. Blinded by politics, they'd reduce the ability of any president to provide relief to American families from natural disasters and foreign threats. And for what? To support oil companies who already have record high profits? I'm not going to stand for that. Isn't this crazy? Republicans came to Congress talking a big game about bringing costs down. Well, right now, they're proposing a 30% national sales tax while tying our country's hands when it comes to lowering gas prices. I can't believe I have to say this, but members of the Congress should be making your costs lower, not higher. I oppose this bill, and so should you.